Fresh firing started after contact was established between security forces and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla and Rajouri districts today in the early hours. This comes a day after 5 army personnel were killed in an explosion triggered by terrorists in Rajouri. Today, the J&K police said that a terrorist has been killed after an encounter started in the Karhama Kunzar area of Baramulla. The terrorist has been identified as Abid Wani, a resident of Yarhol, Babapora, Kulgam. According to the police, the terrorist has been linked with proscribed terror outfit LET and incriminating materials including one AK-47 rifle recovered from his possession. Giving details of the Baramulla encounter, SSP Amod Ashok Nagpure said, and I quote, "Information was received about some suspicious movement. A cordon and search operation was launched, and during that firing was done towards us, and in retaliatory firing, one terrorist of LET has been killed." The SSP said that in view of the upcoming G20 meeting, security forces have intensified anti-terrorist operations to ensure the summit is conducted smoothly. He said that the slain terrorist was tasked to carry out a big terror attack ahead of G20 meeting.
G20 इवेंट के मद्देनजर हमारी सारी फोर्सेस जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा अलर्ट लेवल पे है। इसी अलर्टनेस की वजह से, इसी तैयारी की वजह से जो है जो भी इस इलाके में या हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सस्पिशियस मूवमेंट्स हो रही है वो उनका हमें टाइमली पता चल रहा है और हम उस थ्रेट को न्यूट्रलाइज कर पा रहे हैं। ये सारा जो G20 का समिट होगा ये पुरअमन होगा और सक्सेसफुल होगा, इसका हमें पूरा यकीन है और उसके लिए हम पूरी तरीके से तैयार हैं।
According to Kashmir police, 2 to 3 terrorists have been trapped as the encounter continues between the security force and terrorists in Kunzar area of Baramulla. A joint operation of Army and J&K police was launched based on these inputs. The Army's Northern Command said that its personnel have been conducting relentless intelligence-based operations to flush out a group of terrorists involved in an ambush on an army truck in the Tota Gali area of Bhata Durian in Jammu region last month. PRO Defence Lieutenant Colonel Devendra Anand said, and I quote, "In the ongoing operation in Kandi Forest in Rajouri sector, contact was established with terrorists at 1:15 hours today and firing was started. 5 army personnel were killed and a major was injured on Friday in an explosion triggered by terrorists in the densely forest Kandi area in Rajouri district." Officials said that the additional troops of the Central Reserve Police Force or CRPF and the army were inducted into the area to put it in a tight cordon so that the terrorists do not escape from the spot. The forces deployed drones and sniffer dogs and troops hit a cave hideout with heavy fire of mortars and grenades. Yesterday morning, 2 soldiers belonging to the special forces were killed and 4, including the major, were injured during the operation. Later in the day, 3 died in a hospital in Udhampur. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, along with Army Chief General Manoj Pandey, is slated to visit Jammu today to review the security situation in the Jammu sector.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.